Sure was a lot easier to go down than going back up, and that was gnarly. Down, you can hear the sounds of flowing water behind me. So good for the soul. In the last episode, ended up building myself a 14-foot leader just because the water was so deep. And today we're going to go to like a 4.5 foot. Only have 2 flies where we're at. So I'm going to do like a hopper dropper setup. So I'm just going to use a fly that I can float on top. I'm going to use that as my indicator. So maybe like a Griffith's gnat or something like that. Something really, really small. A very, very tiny, tiny, tiny weight on there between my hopper, which is just going to be a little size 16 stimulator. I'm going to use a size 22 Griffith's gnat and see what, and I'm going to soak that one. I'm going to sink it, start there, and then we can adjust. Can't be scared. Never been here before, so I have no idea. All I did was type into Google, river near me, and here we are. So don't hate me for not doing research. Our research is field research being out here. That guy, I think he wins the most aggressive in a tiny package. Howdy do. Let's get our hands, let's take a look at you. Oh yeah, buddy. Get you a shot of that. I mean, he's like, he's going for dinner and some. It's pretty damn cool though. Young man, swim on, be free. Thank you for taking this big giant freaking fly that's bigger than you were. There he is. Hello, friend. You guys are so cool. I will catch you all day. All day, little guys. You're hungry. Hopefully you survive. Took the Griffith's gnat. Look at that, little buddy. You pretty dang cool, my friend. Yep. Grow on. Thank you, thank you. Grow on. There we go, little buddy. That's what we're talking about right there. Beautiful. Beautiful, right to the beak, get our hands wet. Beautiful brown. Thank you, my friend. You are stunning, little guy. We'll catch you next time. Thank you for hanging out here. Appreciate you. Thank you. That was awesome. That was awesome. Technical. Took the Griffith's gnat. That's been our fly of the day. done top, we've done bottom, but my little mini rig has knocked them dead today. This is just so cool, my friends. Sometimes you just got to be on the move. I don't like getting stuck in the same place all the time. I learned so much from the first episode of kicking off this new season, and that river that we fished, it kicked my butt, and it was just a massive learning curve and something I'd never done. I'd never fished a river that was that freaking big, that much water, that much flow, like huge leader, tons of weight. So I was just really fortunate to feel like to even catch a fish. But then to come and start episode 2 of season 4, like with this little mountain stream, like 10 CFS, super technical, got to go through straight up tactical mode. I'm all about it, my friends, all about it. There he is. Got him. That's a nicer one. Don't blow the hole out here. Yeah, that's a nicer one. We'll take that all day. I just gotta watch out for these trees here. This is crazy talk. Come here, buddy. Look at you. Oh, you're a pretty one, aren't you? Look at those spots. Those spots on that guy, my friends. This sucker is so tight, man. Got like this willow umbrella. This is some... Let's get it out there. Oh, shoot. See if one will... That was a great fish. That's a better one. I think about the same. Oh, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. It's way too tall. Shoot. No, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Get your hell up on in here, buddy. Let me have a look at you, young man. Yes. Crocodile roll. No. I got you right in the lip, thank you. See, the beauty about these is it's barbless, my friend. So it comes out like that, beautiful. Smashing. Till next time, thank you, sir. Thank you. Well, I say we go another round here. We found ourselves a little, what I would say, honey hole. But man, is it technical to fish. Just taking one more look. What a great run. That one really took care of us. I just gotta say, the ultimate about this is, the only thing I looked up was rivers near me. From there, I got on government website to check flow to make sure said river had water flowing down it. That was it. I'm just really proud of myself and sticking with my confidence flies, not overthinking it, throwing a stimulator on there, which works for anything and can imitate anything pretty much. And then the Griffiths gnat, always a go-to besides the pheasant tail We got it done. Shake and bake, afterburners, full throttle, feeling good. Episode 2 was an outstanding success. Hell, my friends, we found $5, so I say we got paid to fly fish today. $5. And other than that, my friends, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Hope you're well. Hope you're thriving. Hope you're feeling great. We will catch you all next time on Beyond the Fly.